I'm going to show you how to find the angle using a DMS. That stands for degree, minute, and seconds. It's an easy formula for it, but the easiest way to do it is download an app. Try this app out right here. It's called Angle Calculator. And right there where you see degree, second, and minute, push that. And we're going to do this one right here. We're going to make a right turn. It says 21 degrees. Okay, we're going to do minutes, 54 minutes. And we're going to do 53 seconds. And then hit this degree button right under the 53. There you go. You get 21.914, or you can round it out to 21.915 degrees. So almost 22 degrees. Say, for instance, you don't have this app. I'm going to show you how to do it on your calculator. It's really simple to do. Only thing you need to do is open up your calculator. And what you want to do, we're going to do the same one. We're going to go 21 degrees. Then we're going to go plus 54 divided by 60 minutes in an hour plus 53 divided by 3,600 seconds in an hour equals. There you go. You see that number right there, 21.914722. And I'm going to switch over to this app, same number. So that's how you do it. So basically what you do, you take your 21 degrees plus 54 divided by 60 plus 53 divided by 360. And that's how you come up with your degrees and minutes. So that's degrees, minutes, and seconds. So there you go. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.